I want to share with you some absolutely amazing cones. And not surprisingly, they're called cones. Because what we're going to do is we're just going to take a cone like this, and we're going to slice and dice it in all sorts of different ways to reveal all sorts of hidden cones. So first, let me show you my cone. But you're saying, hey, I want other conic sections. And I'm saying, you know what? I understand. Now, technically, by the way, we should always be thinking that the cones are an ice cream cone. Let's try it right now live. So I'm going to come down to the chopping cam here. And if you bring it down, and I know I have to cut it, you see, parallel to the base. And here I go. Oh my. No one said math is easy. But when you do it, what do you get? You get something that's actually the boundary of a cone. I cut a little skew like this. Let's see what happens. You ready? Here we go. A skew cut. Ooh. Wow, that was a skew. Excuse me, please. Here's a real pretty one. Check it out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut parallel to this side right here. And check out that cut is really... Where are you? You see how it's parallel? And what do I get? I get a beautiful sad face or happy face parabola. Isn't that neat? So a parabola is an example. Those are examples of the conic sections, and we're done with the cooking segment part of this. So I'm going to watch how I can make a Ginsu knife disappear. Watch this. Ooh, thank you very much. And now I'm going to make the cutting board disappear. Ooh, thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm going live. We're going live.